Oh, you want to go swimming? Yeah, there's a lot of water coming this way, bro. Yo, yeah. Bro, put the window up! Slap the thing, bro. The thing's slapping in the car, bro. It's getting stuck in the car, bro. What's up, OTB Mafia? It's your boy OTB Daddy, and I'm back at it with another video, man. On to bigger, on to better, on to bigger. And today, we got a little vlog for y'all, man. But actually, we'll be going to go get somebody. Today, we'll be running a couple errands, bro. Like, I gotta go. I'll probably not get my haircut today because we got an event. Like, it's a surprise. I'm gonna vlog that too. But probably not get a haircut today, but I'm definitely gonna go to the car wash. But we got a little twist to it today, bro. Today, we gonna have Rod with us, bro. Rod is gonna get in a car today. I'm finna go scoop Rod. He think it's gonna be regular, just rolling around. Nah, bro, like regular running errands. I'm finna get him through the car wash, bro. He finna get wet, bro. Wait, pause. You know I didn't mean it like that. I don't know why y'all gotta stop being weird, bro. But anyways, yes, he will be getting wet through the car wash, bro. But y'all stay tuned. It's real hot, so I'm finna stop the camera. I'm gonna hit y'all when we get a little air or something when we Rod maybe be in the camera. I'll catch y'all next scene, man. No cap, man. Stay tuned. So we currently down the street from Rod. And I just want to talk to y'all before we get all the way there. I hope y'all can hear me, cause like my car. But like, nah, we almost there, so. And I'm kind of hungry, I'm thirsty and shit. Y'all probably can see I'm thirsty and shit. But nah, I'm finna hit y'all when we get there. I'll probably get a drink or something. Get some Aquafina or something. I'm gonna hit y'all when we get there, no doubt. Just made it to Ride, man. God damn, I need to say. I really don't even want to be on camera. I be letting y'all see me when I rub, no retwist, no cut, nothing, bro. I should really appreciate these vids. Hey, you trying to go in and get something? I need to get a drink or something, bro. Yeah. Boy, Ride, man.
Probably, y'all, what's going on?
My boy. But nah, we finna go on, nigga. I'm parched, like, I need some water or something. Hey, tell me how hot it is. What your car say?
It's hot as fuck.
Bro, it's hot as fuck, bro. Like, it shouldn't be this hot, bro. My lips getting ashy while talking and shit.
Oh! It's, bro, it's not even loaded, bro. It's not loaded.
91.
91.
It's 91, bro.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. You see,
This ain't it.
we got on black tees. We should have wore white tees. Oh, rap. But nah, I'm gonna go in here and get some drinks. What y'all be getting from Chick-fil-A? I'll probably get like a blue Powerade. What you be getting, right? Fruit punch. Ooh, fruit punch. They do got that lemonade too.
Yeah, man, you gonna see what you're talking about.
Woo! Ooh! No rap, bro. I need my car clean, bro. Golly. Y'all stay tuned though. We gonna get that car clean, no rap, man. It's hot as muff. It's so hot I don't even wanna move, bro. But nah, we're gonna get a cut. We gotta shoot. I'll stay tuned for the shoot. No problem, no problem.
Thank you.
Y'all don't open the door for ladies, bro. Like, what are you doing? Y'all better have manners. Everybody in OTB Mafia better have manners, bro. No rap. I ain't been inside of Chick-fil-A in a minute, bro. I used to go through the drive-thru. That's cool. I'm gonna hit y'all. Bro, we just ordered, fo. How did you already get your order?
Fast food.
He talking about fast food. What am I ordering, man? But nah, anyways, man. I got a little mac and cheese, medium mac and cheese. If you don't eat mac and cheese from here, what you eating, bro? I got a little. I've never seen this, bro. Have y'all seen this? Comment down below if y'all have seen this at Chick-fil-A, bro. I only seen this at, what, McDonald's? I've never seen this at a Chick-fil-A, bro. Oh, bro. Daddy, appreciate it. And they is quick. My shit better be fresh, folks. Oh! Bro. Nah, we gonna hit y'all though. Lay. We finna grow up. Hey, fo. Yeah. You gonna ride me to get a car wash?
Yeah.
And I just bring you back? Bet. Cause look at this, bro. I don't know if y'all can see it, but my car is dirty, bro. I didn't even lock my door. Oh! Like, what's up with me? I didn't even lock my door. They say I'm hopeless. Nah, I be on camera looking rough. You know what's crazy? Whenever I got a haircut and a retwist, I like rarely go live, bro. I mean, I rarely record. Like, I don't be recording for some reason. I just don't be doing vids whenever I got a retwist and a cut. As soon as I ain't got a retwist or a cut, I'm recording. That's weird, but that's just how I go. Anyways, man, y'all stay tuned for more tests this month.
We don't care.
Let me tell you. We don't care.
Y'all will see OTV tests on me this month. Yeah. But, be right back. So we back at it with the mukbang.
Yeah, man. Right. What's that poppin', brother?
So we told them what we had on your channel. We gotta tell them what we got on my channel. So I got mac and cheese. I told y'all before. You see what I'm saying? With a blue Powerade. Tell them what you got, folks.
We got the nuggets.
Nugget motherfucker.
Fries.
Fried motherfucker.
And we got the fruit punch. No ice. Go no ice, bro. I'm telling y'all.
Me?
You get more.
Me, I'm gonna go dumb ice.
You get more, bro, with no ice. And we got the barbecue. Man, I don't know about all the other sauce. I go barbecue.
I go Polynesian.
Go barbecue, man.
But like you said earlier, you was like, what I been on, man.
Yeah, bro, we gotta get the game updated.
Man, I done had to slide on some people, bro. If you ain't seen on.
Ah, you talking about that, yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
We gotta let them know what's going on, because I don't like doing, like, I don't know, I don't really like doing sit-down videos, like.
Yeah.
So you feel me? These are part of the vlog.
Yeah. So yeah, I just had to slide on some niggas. I've been back and forth to Houston. That's why my car's so dirty, bro.
Damn.
No problem. So what I do, I put that Polynesian in that mac and cheese.
I don't know what that is, bro. That ain't that.
You ain't seen it yet. You ain't seen it full outcome.
Show them, bro.
Right, let me mix it.
That ain't it, bro.
Y'all see?
That is not it.
Oh, boy, this way for the boy.
That's not it. That don't even look good.
Amen.
That's because I don't like Polynesian though.
Bro, you gotta like Polynesian.
I might be tweaking though. I don't know. But nah, man. What's been going on with the vibes though? That's what they really want to know. What's going on with the vibes? You feel me?
I don't know, man. I've been out here searching. I've been looking for. They been trying to find me some people, man. OTV MAFIA, they was funny. They was being messy the other night, bro.
What down?
Well, I can't even say some of the names. We might get canceled, bro.
What you mean?
They was saying people that was in relationships, man. You know a few. I don't want to say it because I don't want no bad blood between nobody, but they was tweaking. I'm like, y'all is tweaking, bro.
Nah, yeah, bro. I ain't really. I don't know.
Yeah, what's up with you, man?
I ain't been on no vibes, bro.
What's up,
I'm
bro?
cool, you feel me? Right.
What you mean you coolin', bro? What happened to your vibe, bro?
You know what happened. You know. Nah, bro, I'm coolin', bro. You feel me? I don't know. I'm just looking for whatever I want to do. You feel me?
Yeah. Dang, bro. I see.
That shit wasn't it, though.
Ever since we stopped talking to our vibes, man, we can't find no more.
It ain't that we can't find nothing. I ain't gonna lie. I know we both having that, but it's just like.
I'm saying, like, was they the best for us?
What you mean?
Like, should we get back with them?
I ain't getting back shit.
I'm trolling, man.
You can't.
It ain't nobody to get back with.
You get back with Shorty. I think you should. Y'all, you feel me? Y'all was more lit than me and what's her name. Y'all was definitely more lit as far as
I'll be on YouTube. I'll be saying y'all pranks or whatever.
Bro. What you talking about?
Bro. You know what I'm talking about, man. I'm act clueless around this motherfucker.
Bro. I don't know. My game though, everybody know about Rod, bro. You ain't finna get on my camera and not get spicy with me. That's just what it is, you feel me? That me up, gang. That me up. Y'all know how I get, man.
Man,
like,
I'm finna start getting spicy, man.
You gotta get spicy, bro.
Y'all gotta give me a vibe to get spicy with.
Like, I feel like me and Shorty was a little bit more spicy, but you feel me? Y'all was more lit. Like, y'all were more turned, like, piped up.
I feel like we was more like gang, though.
Nah, shit, I don't know. I mean, I feel like...
You wasn't getting those vibes, because I was getting those vibes, and we got them vibes, and we... See what I'm saying?
I feel like you should get back with your old crush.
But he's still cool, though. What about you and...
I'm saying... I'm not saying... I'm talking about get back. Like, back. Like, I think y'all should get back together. Like,
we never was together, man.
I'm saying together as in talking. I know y'all.
We still talk.
Nah, I ain't talking about that.
Alright, what did you own, bro? What's in them nuggets, bro?
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. They did give me this little fry. I hate these fries, bro. I hate these kind of like where the skin be like on the back, bro. I like the normal fries, bro.
This mac and cheese.
Nah, but you wanna talk to Shorty no more?
That's gang. But nah.
Why not? What's wrong with it? Y'all was lit.
Yeah, but I get like little sister vibes.
Tired in.
Yeah.
Tired.
So what kind of vibes was you getting from Shorty? From your Shorty?
Right, what you mean, my Shorty?
I mean, yo vibe, yo crush.
That ain't that no more.
I'm saying.
I don't even like hearing that no more, kid. Like that. This ain't. We going to the next.
What kind of vibes was you getting though, bro?
I don't know. It was like it was kind of awkward. Like,
yeah, it look awkward, man. It look very spicy.
You thought that was spicy. I ain't need to turn up for real, gang.
Yeah, I gotta go watch some of your old vids. You say you get way spicier than that.
I ain't need to turn up, but like it just went. It was cool at first.
Yeah.
Like when we was all doing our thing, but after a while, like it just started getting weird because you know you feel me, like everything, like it wasn't that. You feel me? I felt like I was going out of my way to do certain stuff.
Yeah.
But she doing what she wanna do. Ain't nothing wrong with that, you feel me? But
she's still exploring her options while y'all was.
Yeah, don't say that and then you feel me?
Yeah.
You flirting with dudes and they comment, and they tagging me, you feel me? Like, what I look like, you feel me? Like,
so is y'all still like cool, cordial, collect? Like, what's up?
I mean, I see you, what's up? But like, that's about it. Like,
y'all don't call each other nothing no more.
Bro, you never called me. I wouldn't be capping about that, bro. Y'all gotta be capping about that on the line, bro. Like, bro, we ain't never like, it wasn't that. That's why they kept asking me, well, we finna date. I was like, no, cause like, you know when you get the vibe.
Yeah.
But I couldn't really explain it in the moment.
Yeah.
No, I wasn't that.
TKO. But on your situation, man, I feel like you're doing the right thing. Distancing yourself.
Yeah, I gotta find what's best for you. Yeah, we really gotta find what's best for us.
Hey man, so we a W2 man, cause
I was just to say that, bro.
No rap,
bro.
But look,
we got going to 2 minutes.
We got an event coming up. Do you want to speak on it?
I mean, we can, yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Let them know what's going on, gang.
So we got an event
gang
coming
let y'all know what's going on.
We got an event, man. King City event, man. We know King City gonna have the vibes at the shoot.
I know.
So
I have to do it.
Hopefully we find our match.
Hopefully.
Nah.
I ain't gonna say that.
He sound like he already got motion in the ocean.
Right, yeah, I know. I keep the vibes. I just choose whether or not to entertain the vibes. You feel me? Like,
no rap.
Focus on the money. Like,
focus on the pay. Gotta get to the pay. Money.
We gotta do our own event too, bro.
Stay tuned.
I ain't even talking too much about that.
Hey y'all, my phone got too hot, but we back at it. And why is Rod being fed right now, bro?
Everybody working, man. Cap, but
bro, this dude pulling up TikToks, bro.
I ain't do nothing. I just said like, you feel me? Like y'all shit, you feel me?
Bro.
But then I be trolling, bro. Y'all know I used to be trolling, bro.
That's
like,
gang, though.
But I was like, bro, we was lit. We a W2 man. We is a W2 man, bro. I feel like we gotta find somebody else, though. Like, I really feel like as we keep having motion, they just gonna find us, like, cause it ain't nothing to get, like, you feel me?
I've been looking for like a flashlight, but nah, I'ma end mine here. Y'all wanna watch more? Go to Raj. But I'ma end it here. I'm gonna vlog more. He gonna ride me to the car wash and shh. Y'all stay tuned. Gang. So we in the car. I got Rod to get in the car wash with me, man. We finna turn this up, bro. Let me move this stuff, bro. Let me move this stuff. But we finna get him, bro. I don't even know what's going on. I'm like, just hop in the car with me. He like, I don't need no car wash. I'm like, just hop in the car with me and shit. Just ride with me. We finna get through. Ooh, I'm in the middle of this thing, though. We finna get out. Comment dubs in the chat right now, man. Comment dubs in the chat right now. This man finna be soaked, fool. But I'm gonna hit y'all when he get in the car, though. And boy, it's hot as fuck. My boy didn't put a white tee on.
Yeah, man, we had to get a white tee on. You feel me? It's too hot out there, man. I ain't gonna lie.
Well, we get outside for a little bit. I get niggas sweating in this motherfucker, man. Hope it don't rain or nothing. It's like every time I get a car, it's going to rain or something, bro.
It's supposed to rain in here,
Swear to God. I swear to God, bro. This be it.
Yeah, it is.
See what I'm saying, y'all? Yo. Regular. Do the 5. Appreciate it.
My first show, I'm like,
Wipe, feel like else I had to let her go.
that's that shit, boy.
What you know about that, man? That ain't a scat.
No.
I seen the front of it. I think it is a scat, bro.
I want a scat.
Scat's coming soon.
I want a scat, bro. That's
Yeah. They say that butter right out of poverty. What? Hey, you took a shower today and shit?
No.
Just asking, bro.
Why no? Okay.
Just asking, bro. Like,
I shower every day. You know I gotta come out fresh. We so fresh. We got the cocaine white tee on, man.
oh, bro.
We didn't into it today, bro.
Shit.
See what the motion on.
You like water parks and shit, bro?
No, I don't even like swimming, bro. Like, actually, I got like my hair long.
You don't like water and shit?
Yeah, like, I don't even do that. Like, when I get the shower, like, I put my hair up and stuff. You put your hair up?
Yeah. Nah, I be putting it in a bun and shit.
Yeah, like, I gotta put like all of it up on some stuff.
Yeah, yo.
It'd be crazy.
Yeah, yo. Like, shit. Yeah.
We could go swimming.
Oh, you wanna go swimming?
Get us some little vibes. Go
Say less.
That'd be a whole move.
Yeah, there's a lot of water coming this way, bro. Wait a minute.
I don't know.
Wait a minute.
Yo, stop playing. Yo, bro, put the window up. Bro, put the window up, man. Yo, oh shit. Bro, put the window up. What the fuck? I'm getting wet, bro. Bro, put the thing in the car, bro. Bro, put the window up. Bro, put the window up. The thing's flapping in the car, bro. It's getting stuck in the car, bro. Nah, bro, just chill, bro. Hell no, bro. Put the window up, bro. Just relax, bro. Put the window up, bro. Dude, I'm getting wet in this bitch. I'm getting wet. What the fuck?
You said you wanted to go to a water park, bro.
Bro, I said let's go with some vibes, bro. What the fuck? Nigga, I'm over here wet, bro. I just put on a fresh white tee, bro. Come on, bro.
My bad, bro.
What though? Bro, you play too
My
much,
bad, bro.
Nah, bro.
I had to get
put
you,
your
bro.
window
I had to
down,
get you,
bro.
bro. Ain't no water
bro.
coming,
Got my
bro.
hair wet and shit, bro.
I should have told you put it up,
Bro, nah, bro. What you want,
Bro, you got me wet, bro. Bro, the flapping things was flapping in the car, bro. I'm like, so, bro.
Look at the inside of my car, bro.
Bro, you did that. Now you gotta clean it out. Bro, you play too much, bro.
You want to drive?
No, bro. Bro. Alright, bro. Let me out, bro. I don't even want to sit down, bro. This shit, bro. Come on, bro. You playing, bro.
Oh my God.
My phone wet, bro.
This was the best prank
Come
I
on,
ever
bro.
did.
Bro, you pranking?
This is the best prank I ever
Why is
did,
you
bro.
recording?
That's W prank, bro.
You gotta cut this shit out, bro. What the hell?
That's W prank,
Bro,
bro.
prank, bro. The whole car wet.
Hey, this was the funniest prank I ever did, bro.
Bro,
Oh
the
my,
whole-
bro, when I park, I gotta show y'all
Let
my
me
car.
out, bro. Let me out, bro.
Look
Let
at the
me out, bro.
car, bro.
I'm finna walk to the spot.
Was it a
bro.
prank on me or you, bro? My car is
Bro,
wet.
I don't care, bro, about none of that, bro. Like, come on, bro.
Hold on, bro. I gotta show him the car, bro.
You playing, bro.
I gotta show him the car. Bro, what the fuck? Look at the car, bro.
Bro, forget the car, bro.
Look at the car.
Look at me, bro. Like, come on, bro.
Bro, it's cool, bro.
Nah, bro, that ain't it.
That wasn't a W prank.
Oh, bro, I'm like wet, bro. Like, bro, I'm finna walk.
Where you going?
Bro, I'm walking, bro. It's wet, bro. What is like? Jerk
Oh
car out,
my
bro.
God. Oh my God, bro. My car is soaked. Look at him. He mad. Oh my God.
What you gonna drive? Don't open the window. Drive the car out,
Bro, I'm just saying, bro. What you doing, bro? Bro, what you
Bro,
doing?
hell no. Drive the car out, bro.
Look, bro. What I'm gonna drive the car off with, bro?
Bro, I don't know, bro. Hell no.
Bro.
I mean, nah. You
Bro.
drive, nah. You wanna play around? Go ahead, drive the
You ain't-
car out, bro.
You ain't gonna help me?
It's so, I'm not helping you do nothing, boy. You hear that, dude?
Oh! W
What you
prank.
hear, dude?
W prank, man.
This ain't it, bro.
W prank. Look at my car.
Bro, what are you doing? Look
Oh
like, bro, my
my
whole.
God.
Come on, bro. You
It's
getting
so-
attached wet, bro. Like,
Bro, you act like your chat ain't gonna
what's
drive,
wrong,
bro.
Bro, come on, bro. You playing too much, bro. You got my toes wet, bro. I'm serious, bro. What you doing, bro? I don't know what, bro. Bro, I'm chill, bro. I got, you feel me? I'm
W prank,
cool, little
man.
light fit. I'm chilling today.
Put dubs in the chat right now, man. Put dubs in the chat right now. This the best prank I ever did.
Prank, bro. This is like
It's the
real,
best
nigga,
prank
like,
ever, bro.
This not what.
Rod ain't never did no prank like this, bro.
Bro, I don't play like that, bro. I'm not getting my car wet.
Bro,
you play too much.
Bro, we gotta go to the extreme, bro. It's been prank wars for, you see what I'm saying? Y'all forgot because we ain't linked up in a while, but bro, it's been prank wars, bro. It's been prank wars, bro. I'm gonna take it to the extreme every time, bro.
Bro, take that weak ass shit, man.
I'm gonna take it to the extreme every time, bro. You said you wanted to go swimming, I took you for a swim.
I said with some vibes, nigga. It ain't no hoes there. Like, wait.
So if it was some hoes in the car, you would have been cool.
Nah,
with it.
hell no.
Ah! Anyways, man, W prank, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We got them good, bro. We got them good, bro. I'm gonna end the video here, bro.
Nah, bro,
Hey.
you need to show that and you cleaning it up. I'm not.
Hey, tell them like, comment, subscribe, bro.
No, bro. All right. Watch what I do. Why you think it's
Big dogs in the chat, man. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. I'm gonna be right back with more bangers, man. And y'all already know what it is. Say it with me, y'all. On to big. Nigga, I said say it. Say it with me. Anyway, on to bigger, on to better, on to billion.
Bye, have a great time.